Are you a Shelby, sir? Is you a Shelby? Sir, I can't tell who's loud. Is it that white Ricer car? Is it him or is it a Mustang? I doubt it's a Mustang. Could be the Mustang. Good day, mate! He looked Australian for some, I don't know why. He looked Australian to me. Australian, mate! How about a little shrimp on the barbie? Harry Potter! I really don't know. I'm at a loss for words because of happiness. 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 I love that song. You know what that song's by? Pointer Sisters. No. Is it Point Sisters? No, Pointer Sisters. I wonder what that means. What does Pointer mean? Is it someone's name? Or is it Pointer because is that a California, California. I can do that now because it doesn't hurt my ears. Why don't you guys understand that now? Oh my god. So many times I couldn't do it because first the wind noise was popping into my ears like a dog, man, and it wasn't pretty because it wasn't pretty. It's so loud in this helmet. And then when I added my voice to that, it got even louder. It got even louder. But now with the earplugs in, aka butt plugs in my ears, I don't care anymore. I can scream, I can hit my falsetto like it's nobody's business. You hear that? Nobody's business. Oh my god, I can't tell you how many avenues. Huh? Big words, huh? Big words. I can't tell you how many avenues this opens up for us. Can't tell you how many ooh, trash can truck, but baby blue. I've never seen a baby blue trash can truck. Monsieur? Ooh, GT, sir. What does that mean? 50 years of what? Ass? Pretty sure it's 50 years of ass. Come on, dog. What up, yellow? Wrangler, banana pudding, banana pudding, banana pudding, banana. Because I'm not totally, this like what I'm hearing right now with my earplugs on, this isn't how I sound always. It is a little bit distorted because again, earplugs, writing, you know, perspiration. Papa's RR. Okay, first of all, Papa's our part. If anything, you win with that. How could you not? With this ability or this idea or the guap to make a license plate custom, you didn't go for Daddy's RR? That's sad, sir. He is staring at that dude's butt. I saw it. He's staring at it again. Ooh, R6, but it's leaving us. It's cool. They go, but they come right back. They come right back. Oh, Audi, what an F? Okay, sir, when were you born, dog? In the 1800s? Man, exhaust fumes up my booty. I'm not about to wear stuff in my nostrils, alright? I'm already wearing a butt plug in my ears. I am not going to put on plugs in my nostrils to run away from your stupid exhaust fumes. Like, this dude had or is that papas? Isn't papas a Mexican dish? Papas? Or papayas? Or papelio? Or papelio? French. Hashtag. Nailed him. Got him. Bonjour. I don't know. I'm just so excited, man. Give me the fingers! Papelio. He nodded. I gave him the nod. He nodded back. Because we spread love, not hate. We spread love, not hate. We got a cluster F of, okay, I hear sirens. No, it's a radio. Or music. What the hell am I, 50? It's not a radio, it's music. I hear music. And I see some cheeks in the pink nature. But my visor is so fogged up that I can't really look at the details of it. So, when in doubt, pass. I think it's this guy blazing music right now. Blazing music? Who says that? What is an Audi A7 3.0T? Sir, I destroy you. But luckily I am not in a destroying mood. So, you're saved. But for now, you're gone. Okay, sir. You are effing with my flow so bad. messing with my flow so bad. Hey, shorty, keep up with your crew, homie. You gone. I can't say that because my voice is too deep for that. Ah! Huntington Surfing Beach! My girl works there, man. My shorty works there, who I love so much. And I know nothing about her besides her beautiful face, and I don't know where she is right now, but I miss her. I haven't seen her in quite a while, and it hurts me, because, you know, because I'm a baby. It hurts me, man. And I know what you guys are saying, like, dude, you fall in love with every girl you see, and you're nothing but a sexy creep pervert. I take all that back. I take all that back. You guys don't say that about me, right? I take that back. Sir, you wanna get some booty? Or see some booty? There you go. Pasture, tail light action. Homeless. Hayabusa? No, I think it was ZX14R. I think that was a ZX14R. Ooh, dude, nah. Dude, you had me. For a second, you had me. But I like you because of surfing. So, I dig it. What about this guy? Alright, blonde hair. He's running. But he's barefoot. Okay, if I close my eyes and I'll look at that, I'll take it. And then he's got kind of a body going on. He's at the highlights. And he's surfing. You know what? He gets it too. He gets it too. He gets it too. This dude, you can tell he's out of shape. But he gave me the nod. See, I judged him, and he gave me the nod and showed love. That's the key. Make fun of people, and they turn out to be the best people in the world. If you want to judge someone's character. Well, like, we're on like a 1,005 streak of making fun of people, and those people end up being so nice. So nice. And the people I think would be nice, like riders, aren't. Would you wave to me, sir? Fat sir? You will not wave to me. Fat sir refuses to wave! Man, I'm crazy. I got a hurricane in my mouth. Man, I am flooding it up in my mouth right now. So much spit because of the words that I come out with P. Well, I already knew the ride was going to be out anyways, but we just wanted to come out and ride. And I love being near the beach. You guys are like saying, why are you always right on the coast? Because I love the beach. I love water. What up, dog? You didn't see the nod because he looked away before I could nod to him. But people be looking. People be looking. Huh? X7. Huh? Man, this opens up so much. These butt plugs are closing something, but if they're opening up something else, my heart. My heart. They're opening up my heart. Update on the stash. Alright? Not the stash. Triumph, dude. Not the stash of anything like paraphernalia, is that right? Narcopolis? No, nothing like that. Stash meaning the mustache, beard, sideburns, hair on my face, basically. I cut off the beard because I kind of got angry with it. Because whenever I'm working out, sir, your dog just took a fat dump on someone's front yard! Clean it up! Hey, douchebag! Man, you saw that? His dog took a dump in someone's front yard, and he just don't care. Sir, your headlights out. Left one. Wait a second. I can't hear the click of my visor, and that dude's stripping in public. Oh no! Moisture! Is it raining? Oh my god, are you kidding me? You've got to be kidding me, man. It is wet. Okay, alright. So this is what we get. I come out, wake up early, come out to ride, and this is what I get. Wetness in the air. I think it's because of moisture. The sun isn't fully out yet. Okay. Alright, do me like that, God. Alright. Do me like that, alright. That's what I get riding the coast. Well, it's a good thing because of wildfires and stuff, but like, come on, man. Okay, Nimbus, take over, baby girl. There you go. Click. Alright, my whole visor is filled with moisture of water from the clouds getting wet and squirting all over our faces. Nimbus, I'll take over. Thank you. Enthusiasm is dropping because I just wanted to ride. Woo! Somebody give them. Woo! They're racing. Somebody give these boys the Lambos, man. Sign them up for the, what is it, MotoGP? But that's bikes. And what's for cars? Cars GP. Auto GP. There you go. Motorcycle. Auto vehicle. Auto modular. I don't know. I really don't know. This sucks so much. Maybe it's just this area I need to go back. That could be a thing, right? Clouds be squirting in this area. And not all areas. So all I gotta do is just go back. And we should be good. Because I don't know if you guys can tell, your boy Sane's visor is clouding up, fogging up, wetted up. Alright, CBR, be a douchebag. I hope all this water in the air goes up your freaking shorts and you get some significant shrinkage in your area of manhood. See, he was a three-wheeler, but he still gave me the wave, and I waved to him too. Seinfeld, by the way, shrinkage, Seinfeld. I want to say that's the only old thing about me is watching Seinfeld. Can you guys even see? I don't even know. I'm sorry, guys. I just made a video the other day about hating about riding in the rain, and look at us getting drizzled on, F that, getting squirted on. This is freaking squirts of the air. Man, I don't want to get squirted on. Oh my god, you know how wet the ground is? Can you guys even see this? Plus it's all sandy. Sand plus water equals gravel. Okay, yeah, it's raining now. F me so hard. This GoPro is not waterproof, man. God, you know that. God, man. No, sir. Hey, you, hey! What the hell is up with people? Pull out like that. Okay, if you are a driver and not a rider, and you saw what they did, please do not do that. Let the motorcycle pass, alright? At the speed we're going, it's very hard for us to maneuver and do anything, alright? We're delicate beings, alright? I'm sensitive. You guys know I'm sensitive. Please stop raining, man. F this, man. F it. See, now I'm angry. I want to do bad stuff now. Bad stuff I do on a motorcycle would be, you know, broom, broom. But I can't even do that because... Moderate. Yeah, let's go further up and let's see if it's still raining. Okay, F all of you, man. F all of you guys. Hope you got slide in the squirts. I'm not going 56, it's him! Okay, I think it's clearing up, but I can't tell. We gotta stop somewhere and clean this damn visor. Man, this is straight ass. That's what it is. It's ass, okay? I'm sorry, God. I know water from the sky droplets is like blessings or something, but do you really got... Oh, there you go, son. Thank you. Thank you. And it's gone now. As soon as I think it, it's gone. I'm not being ungrateful, but you know, I only get 2 days to ride. This entire week it didn't ride, but it was scorching hot. And now my 2 days that I get to ride, this is happening. Like, God, you had the entire damn work week for it to rain. I've never understood that, nor do I ever think I'll understand the whole... I take a week off from work, that's when it rains, there's wildfires, hurricanes, the Godzilla, Sasquatch is released, and you know, the Kraken is released, and like all the bad stuff. A freaking crater opens up, a sinkhole, a portal to hell. All that bad stuff happens as soon as I have the ability to ride, or I take off from work. On the work day, on a work week, when all is fine and dandy, you know, and I'm working, we got, you know, beautiful skies and like, you know, just hot chicks running around naked and dudes too, and just, you know, you feel like you're, you know, walking around in countryside of Sweden, and, you know, hotness everywhere, and, you know, baby pandas running around, and all sorts of awesomeness is ensuing everywhere. As soon as it comes to the weekend, hell is released, and it just sucks ass. Why? I'm just curious, why? Every single damn time. This entire last week, it's been hot weather, but it's been good weather, sunny weather. Weekend rolls by, it's raining. We are having wildfires across the entire freaking country of Mexico. Mexico's a country, right? Yeah, I don't know. And then on a Saturday when I'm about to ride, all of a sudden it's raining. You have the entire lane to yourself. There's cyclists. You know what? I just want to run all these dudes over. I couldn't stop because it's wet and I don't want to press my brakes all the way, so I couldn't stop. That was me. That was a rider mistake though. I should have not have been going the speed that I was going when I know what's happening up ahead. And seeing all these cyclists, I wasn't paying attention, so it's my fault, not theirs. They all did it right. I just don't want to hit my brakes all the way, nor do I want to downshift super hard, just when I don't have to. R6 with halo headlights, I think. Harley, both couldn't care less to wave. Cool. Yeah, we got to stop somewhere and clean off this visor. It's not raining here. We'll check one more place, and if it's raining there as well, then I'll go somewhere else. Why are you going so slow? There's not a car in front of you for ages. I hate you so much, Jeep. Unicorn or whatever it's called. Gladiator. It's not a gladiator, it's a freaking peasant. I don't know what ranking below gladiator, so I just went with peasant. We're gonna lane split so hard up in here. We're gonna lane split so hard up in here. It's not that I don't trust Nimbus and this weather to brake, but I refuse to brake hard when it's not needed, and I hate you so much. Alright, F you. I'm sorry. F you. I apologize for that, but F you. You don't need to curse like that, alright? You need to curse like that. Uncalled for. I'm trying to be a better human, alright? My love for women is already, I think, pushing the limits of my character. So let's not add cursing to that as well. Even though I want to so bad at this moment in time of life, with what's happening ahead of me is just cyclists, dude, just ride on the freaking sidewalk. Integrity my butt cheeks, man. You guys have no integrity. What is this? Why couldn't you have stayed in your little puppy? Huh. Oh, that is. He had some like stuff leaking from his mouth, and it was not drool, it was something else. Oh, that was gross. I cannot look there. Don't look, don't look. That was gross. And I know he can't clean it because he's a dog, but at least wipe it on the ground or something, man. Wipe it in that dude's fabric car. Alright, slowly and steadily getting angry. I can cut so bad right now, but I'm trying to be a good person right now. I'm not giving somebody a hand, that's not right. I put a blinker on, that's more than enough for you, dog. We bitter now, alright? We bitter. And not even bittersweet, we just bitter right now. People be driving like straight ass, and I don't even think these people are old, they're just idiots. I could lane split right now, but should we? Yeah, we should. I just can't see that well through my visor. It is all foggy as hell. Aston Martin old school. Aston Martin old school. I believe it was an Aston Martin. I couldn't care less. We gotta pause somewhere and freaking wipe down these. I gotta carry a towel with me now apparently, because God wants to rain down on me. God wants to rain down on me. And it smells freaking funky. Why does it smell so funky? See, it's a beautiful weather, it's just my visor zeffing it up. You're on the damn road! He heard me. You see how fast my mood changes? Because, see, now it's not raining anymore. Hopefully you guys can see and everything's cleared up. But I won't know for sure until I take a break. Oh, my visor makes everything look like ass.